Hey friend, if you're debating on getting the Cuisinart toaster oven, I want to give you a really good close-up look of all the features and how it works to really help you make that decision. So go ahead and check it out. This toaster oven is so convenient for so many different reasons. If you want to just pop something in the oven really quick without using your full-size oven, this is perfect for that. Or you might live in an efficiency apartment and just need a small oven. Again, this toaster oven is amazing. You do have plenty of space in here. It comes with your racks, a couple of pans, as well as even a pizza stone for you to use. Now there are so many different baking options and toasting options on here. You can do toast, bagels, waffles. You have a bake option, broil, roast, even a pizza. If you want to do a sandwich, you can keep things warm or even heat up your leftovers. You even have a speed convection option, so it's going to really heat up quickly for you. You can turn the light on and off, which I love that as well. Now this is how it works. So let's say we want to bake a small pizza. Go ahead and put on your pizza setting, hit select, choose your desired temperature, hit select, and then what size pizza do you have? You can go up to 13 inches if you want. And then you're going to choose if it's a frozen pizza or defrosted. Again, hit select, set your timer, select, and now you're ready to go ahead and hit start. And it's going to start preheating for you to go ahead and put your pizza in the oven. This is just very easy to use. Not only that, but I love the design of it. If you look inside, you have your convection vent right in there for heating it up. And it does heat up very quickly. And also the stainless steel on here is made to wipe down easily, so it's super easy to clean. That is amazing. I also really love that about this toaster oven. You also have a crumb tray that slides right out for you to empty out and wipe it down. So overall, this is a really good quality toaster oven. You have so many different options for baking and cooking, and I absolutely love it, and I highly recommend it.